So this metal usually goes on barns, but today I'm going to install it in my kitchen as a backsplash. So why would I actually use metal as a backsplash instead of, say, the traditional tile? First of all, it's very DIY friendly. If you don't enjoy doing tile, this is extremely easy and quick to put up. It's also very reasonable in price. Tile is going to run you anywhere from $500 to maybe $2,000 to put tile up, especially if you're paying someone else to do it and you're not doing it yourself. It's also extremely durable. If this gets wet from the water, it just runs down it and it's easy to clean up. I don't have to worry about it, getting into my walls because it's totally sealed. Also, if I have to clean it up and I end up with grease on it, say in this area, I can just wipe it down, especially if it's a painted surface or even if it's just a stainless steel surface. Now, if you're going to use corrugated metal, it can be just as easy to clean if you do something like coating it with a polyurethane. Those are the main reasons that I chose it, on top of the fact that it's very rustic and it matches what I'm trying to do in here. So if you like DIY projects like this, please consider subscribing. If you want to see the step-by-step video where I show you how to install a backsplash like this, follow the video link above. And as always, guys, I appreciate you watching.